Yeah.
Okay, we're going to be racing. Well, it's not really a race, but we're going to be running from the kitchen all the way around. One of us can go to the sunroom, one of us can go to the dining room, and we're going to crash. Come on.
And I thought that was a little strange.
And that's kind of what they have this mother who seems to really have no connection to the baby, and then these babies are dying mysteriously. The nurses believe this medical investigation should be a murder investigation. Their boss doesn't agree. The nurses were very vocal, asking Dr. Steinschneider what they thought was going on.
Now it's going to be kind of like a jousting thing.
And said flat out that she's killing her baby.
Right here.
Corinne's worst fears unfold. It's Dr. Steinschneider. He discharged her. And I said, if you send her home, that lady is going to kill her. And he said, you're just another hysterical nurse. So what can you do? Baby Molly Holt is sent home with her mother. It will simply be a matter of time. And then about 4 o'clock, when we were getting ready to go off duty, I said, Joy, what do you think? Do you think she's old? Of course, when I came out of duty the next day, she was dead.
These are the building blocks of a perfect girls' weekend. It all starts with having more hotels to choose from. That's why I book a